can find in your kitchen. Today I have with me the mini handy chopper by Pigeon. Now let's quickly unbox this and see what all we get inside. So this is all we get inside. Firstly we have the bowl, then we have the lid, and then we have the blades. These blades are not very sharp, which can be a setback. Let's talk about the chopper now. Firstly, the size of the chopper is quite small, so it's actually very handy. The best part about this product is that it's not electrical, so you don't have to worry about chopping vegetables when the electricity is gone. You have to open it up like this, adjust the blades, and then close it like this. Now you can easily chop your vegetables. Another great thing about this one is that you can clean it very easily. All in all, this is a must-have product if you're looking for something handy yet affordable. It's Hot Deals approved.